I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's end with me tonight. Trying to find.
Hi guys, it's Ledex here. Today I am actually reviewing DONERRY Elegance Liquid Matte and Liquid Glossy Lip Stain. Comes in these two shades, matte gloss. I'm actually wearing the matte one at the moment. The good thing about this lip stain is that they come with their own lip liner, so you don't have to spend money on lip liners. You get that one, which is the shade I'm currently wearing, retractable liner, and the lip stain. The liner goes up, and the lip stain goes value for money. Go get DONERRY Elegance lip stain. DONERRY Elegance lip stain in different shades. Come back and thank me later.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly.
Hi guys, this is gonna be a short pictorial just to let you know that I use DONERRY Elegance palette to create all these beautiful pictures you're gonna be seeing. I use the palette also to create my lipstick. I use the eyeshadow to actually create this deep pigmented lips. As requested, I would be doing more of vlogs on how I created this look. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to this channel and drop us your comment below. Thank you.
Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly.